There, today I will show you how to manage the beneficiary in Moneygram. So first, we have to open Ooredoo Money. So you have to sign in. I already put my password there. So sign in. Delete these OTPs. So here, we will go to International Money Transfer. Tap. Then we'll go to Moneygram. So in Moneygram, we will see Manage Beneficiary. So tap Manage Beneficiary. Then if you want to see or to add a new beneficiary in Moneygram, you will tap this. So for example, add new beneficiary like that. So I already have 10 beneficiary. So if you want to add beneficiary to Elder Exchange or Gulf Exchange like that, you can see all here in Manage Beneficiaries. And then if you want to delete, here delete beneficiary. So guys, here you can put only 10 beneficiaries, only 10. So means if you want to add another one, so you have to delete one beneficiary. So select beneficiary. So for example, I will delete this one. So delete. Then you will receive a message informing that you already delete one beneficiary. So we have to go home. We'll go back here. Then manage beneficiary. So for example, you want to view your beneficiary, just tap view. So all beneficiaries are here. Then go back. And then next is if you want to edit your beneficiaries information. So go to edit. Then select which beneficiary you want to edit the information. For example, Christine. So this only for today, guys. I hope it helps you a little, and then see you on the next video.